We are at the brand new K Tower. It's an extension to the Hotel Lucerna. It's the VIP building. The K Tower is the brand new addition to the Hotel Lucerna. It has a beautiful rooftop setting with a Japanese restaurant, a bar, and a pool. Every room inside the hotel of this new building is very elegant and beautiful. Unlike the Lucerna, the K Tower has specialty rooms like the Marilyn Monroe room or the Frank Sinatra room. It's a little bit more posh even than the Lucerna itself, which is pretty posh for TJ.